There's no taming you in, Michelle.
Tame me. Marcus Wallace, sweetheart. That is your problem. You and my father saw me as this wild animal that can't seem to be reasoned with. But to beat with words and lock away when I act out. I was never going to be a part of your political aspiration. That is why I took my money I inherited to build my radio station. But you conned me out of that. You took that away from me. So don't you dare think your words can hurt me.
Thief from thief, God laugh. You know, Michelle, I loved you, you know. But me never trust you. Because me never want you to can't. Let me use the words that are currently being used, and I'm sure you know them. Me never want you to scam me like you did the others in the past.
Big up yourself, Marcus Wallace. You lead. But just know for the race is not for the swift.
You know, say it's a real piece of work though. You plot and scheme and do all kind of things that is beneficial to you. And I bet you haven't heard from Tiffany. I'm sure the answer is no. I'm sure you don't even call her.
Don't call her name. And don't pretend like you care. I call her every day up to 10 times.
But I'm sure you never thought of calling the school to find out you should be back on campus, don't it?
Their school is on break. So don't pretend as if you...
Bad timing.
What you do?
You mean here? The place that I own?
You what?
Oh, you're hearing ago with the age. The place that I own, the house that belongs to me.
Don't look at me. This is between you and him.
So you knew he was here?
He popped in the other day just as he did now.
And you decided not to say anything?
What was I supposed to say? Oh, Marcus, your long-lost brother is here.
I'm surrounded by schemers and plotters.
Wow. Priceless, Marcus. That is priceless coming from you. But let me repeat what your wife said the other night. The pot across the kettle said black.
Oh? So you both have been having conversations? Nice.
That's at the least, brother. It's because of this Tiffany thing, me not get to finish my business with you.
Tiffany thing? That is what my child is reduced to?
You were never good with words, were you, Carter?
Okay. Let me tell you something. Me no have no time for no emotional petty ranting. This is my place. So me know what, me see why me for the hotel when me have a place. You wanna do? Just make yourself comfortable in my place. Stay out of my way, it's that simple.
Oh. So the house I'm putting in your name because of circumstances. You claim it as your house now.
You don't have to claim it. It's mine.
You know this not gonna work though. Me and you can't coexist in the same place.
Well, Marcus, my brother, let the door hit you where the good Lord split you.
see if you're never my brother.
Forget say me your brother. And do what you feel you can do.
Carter. Marcus.
Hmm.